पर आता है यूरोगायनेकोलॉजी एंड पेल्विक फ्लोर प्रॉब्लम। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और इसमें एक यूट्रस प्रोलैप्स जो है वो बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अब कुछ यूरिनरी सिम्टम्स की टर्मिनोलॉजी देखते हैं। पहले देखो जी, पहले तो यूरिनरी स्टोरेज सिम्टम्स, जैसे पेशेंट बताएगा फ्रीक्वेंसी। पेशेंट कंसिडर ही शी वर्ड्स टू ऑफन। नॉक्चुरिया, रात में ज़्यादा यूरिन कर रहा है। अर्जेंसी, अ सडन कंपेलिंग डिजायर टू पास यूरिन विच इज डिफिकल्ट टू डेफर। अर्ज इनकॉन्टिनेंस, इनवॉलंटरी लीकेज accompanied by or immediately preceded by urgency. Stress incontinence, involuntary leakage on effort, exertion, sneezing or coughing. Nocturnal illness, the loss of urine occasionally during sleep. यूरिन वर्डिंग सिम्टम्स क्या क्या होते हैं? एक तो होता है स्लो स्ट्रीम, परसेप्शन ऑफ अ रिड्यूस यूरिन फ्लो, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ और स्प्रेइंग वेयर द स्ट्रीम और यूरिन इज नॉट अ सिंगल फ्लो, intermittent stream urine flow that stops and starts, hesitancy, difficulty initiating micturition resulting in a delay in the onset of voiding, and terminal dribble is a prolonged final part of the micturition when the flow has slowed to a trickle or dribble. अब relevant functional anatomy क्या है? In health, the bladder stores and then voids urine. This is known as micturition cycle. Most of the time, the detrusor muscle of the bladder is relaxed, allowing storage of the increasing urine volume with no increase in pressure. As bladder capacity is reached, sensory signals from the stretch receptor in the bladder wall send the sensation of bladder filling. The sphincter mechanism is closed. As an adult, voluntary delay of micturition until socially convenient is achieved by cortical inhibition of the spinal voiding reflex. Before voiding begins, this inhibition is removed and the pelvic floor and the urethral sphincter relax in coordinated fashion to allow detrusor contraction and bladder emptying. The detrusor muscle is innervated by musculocholinergic nerves of the parasympathetic nervous system, causing detrusor muscle contraction, and this urethral sphincter is by non-radial neurons of the sympathetic nervous system, which causes sphincter contraction, and somatic fibers voluntary contraction relaxation from the pudendal nerve. In women, the urethral sphincter mechanism is functional system that includes the internal smooth muscles and external side muscle sphincters. The muscles of the pelvic floor and the pubourethral ligaments supporting the urethra within the abdominal cavity. Increases in the abdominal pressure are transmitted equally to the bladder and bladder neck. In the premenopausal woman, the urethral epithelium has a rich blood supply and contributes to continence by acting as a seal. तो इनका वैसे एक आइडिया रख लो कि पूरा समझने की इसको ऐसी कोई खास ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे बता। अब स्ट्रेस इनकॉन्टिनेंस क्या होता है? In isolation, the symptoms stress continence is a reasonable good predictor of the presence of an incompetent urethral sphincter. Urethral sphincter weakens in most cases and is due to hypermobility, where the pelvic floor and ligaments cannot retain the urethra in position, and it falls through the urogenital hiatus during increase in abdominal pressure, leading to loss of pressure transmission to the urethra and hence leakage of urine.